Question 4 is saying, given that force F is equal to r squared rho v to the power k, where r is radius and v is speed and the rho is density, use dimension analysis to determine the value of k. Use dimension analysis to determine the value of k. Okay. So what are we going to do here? This is question 4. Question 4, and we've been given an equation to say F is equal to r squared rho v to the power k, and they've been told to say F is force, and this is actually mass multiplied by acceleration, which means the dimensions of force are m lt to the power minus 2, and I have r squared. They've told us to say r is radius, so since it's squared, we're just going to say the dimensions for r squared will be equal to L squared. We've also been given rho, which is representing density, and do not say density is mass per unit volume. So we're going to say m L to the power minus 3. Then we have v, which is representing velocity, is lt to the power minus 1. So they've asked us to say we should use dimension analysis to determine the value of k, which is this power k here. So this is very simple because we've managed to identify the dimensions of each of these guys that we have in this equation. So let's plug these dimensions into this equation. Then we are going to be comparing the powers of each physical quantity on both the left-hand side and the right-hand side. The powers of each physical quantity that we're going to end up with after manipulating this equation on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. And that's how we're going to find the dimensions or the value of k, which is just the power in this case. So I'll draw my line here. Let me use some red. So F here we have m L t to the power minus 2. This is equal to L squared multiplied by m L to the power minus 3 multiplied by v, which is, put it in brackets, L t to the power minus 1 with k like that there. So I'll say my m L t to the power minus 2, this will be equal to L to the power 2 multiplied by m L to the power minus 3 multiplied by L to the power k multiplied by t to the power minus k. Okay, like this. This is what I'm ending up with. This is what I'm having. We can simplify this guy further. What are we going to do? We're going to say m L t to the power minus 2. This will be equal to, we have L here, L there, and the L in the brackets. And we are multiplying these three values of L. So what does that mean? That means we're going to add the powers of these values of L. By so doing, what are we going to end up with? We're going to end up with L, then we have 2 plus, here we had minus 3, then here we have k, so plus k, like this. And what else do we have? We have m, which I was supposed to write m at the beginning. I don't know why I've written it like this. Then we also have t to the power minus k. This is what we have here. M t to the power minus 2. This will be equal to m L k minus 1 and t to the power minus k. Then from here now, we can compare the powers of the dimensions or the similar dimensions that we have on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. For example, mass on the left hand side, we also have mass on the right hand side. And we can start to say for mass, the power on the right hand side, 1, is equal to the power on the left hand side, which is L. Then for which is 1 also, I mean. Then we have L, and for L, which is length in this case, we have the power on the left hand side, which is 1, being equal to the power of L on the right hand side, which is K minus 1. So I'll take this -1 to the other side of the equation, and I'm going to remain with K being equal to 2. Then we have T. For T, we have a power of -2 on the left hand side being equal to the power of negative K on the right hand side. So we can divide by a negative on both sides, and we're going to end up with K is equal to 2. So that means the value of K is actually 2 by comparing the powers of the common variables on both the left and the right hand side. And this is the approach that we use when we want to find the powers using dimensional analysis. So that was all on question 4. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, watch the video, like, share, and also if you want to register with us, you can go on the description of my channel and register for more of such solutions in all the 4 pre-med courses, which is biology, physics, mathematics, and chemistry. Find everything on our drive. We now have launched an app on Google Play Store. You can download it from there and register from there. The whole procedure is on my description of my YouTube channel. So until next time, stay blessed.